Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to find the middle element in a single linked list. This problem is from Gigs for Gigs practice section. Goal here is to find the middle element of the single linked list. We will see how this can be done in few steps. Step 1. Declare two node pointers to hold the current pointer and middle pointer. Step 2. Assign a head pointer to current and middle pointers. Step 3. Move the current pointer 2 steps forward. Step 4. Move mid pointer 1 step forward. Step 5. To find the middle element, repeat the step 3 and step 4 until either the current pointer is null or the current pointer next is null. So here in this case the current pointer next is null and this is the middle element. Let's quickly check how this works for even number of nodes. So declare two node pointers, current and mid, assign head to the head and mid pointers, move current pointer 2 steps forward, move mid pointer 1 step forward, and repeat step 3 and 4 until either current pointer is null or current pointer next is null. This diagram is just to highlight the current pointer null check difference between the odd and even case. In odd number of nodes, the loop will terminate when the current pointer next is null. However, in the even case, the loop will terminate when the current pointer is null. This is Gigs for Gigs practice session for finding middle element in a linked list. So let's solve this problem in the 5 steps as we have seen. So step 1 is declare two node pointers with a current pointer and mid pointer. Then step 2, assign head to current pointer and mid pointer. Then step 3, move current pointer 2 steps forward. Current pointer equal to current pointer next. Okay, so move the current pointer 2 steps forward. Step 4, move mid pointer 1 step forward. So mid pointer to mid pointer next to 1 step forward. Step 5 is to repeat step 3 and 4 until current pointer or current pointer next is null. So I am going to implement using a while loop. So while loop across step 5. So while of current pointer not equal to null and current pointer next equal to null. Okay. So here the loop will break if either current pointer is null or current pointer next is null. So this is the step 5. So once we get out of the loop, the middle element will be in the mid pointer. So return mid pointer dot data. So let's see how it works. So let's compile a sample with the sample input. Oh, is that okay? This the return here. Okay, so the sample input is fine, so I'm going to submit to run all the test cases.